Welcome. If you want to keep your Gmail inbox neat and organized, enabling Conversation View is a great way to group related emails together so you can follow your email threads more easily. Here's a simple, updated guide on how to enable Conversation View on the Gmail app. First, open your Gmail app on your phone or tablet. Once you're inside, look for the menu icon. It looks like three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger icon, and tap on it. This will open a sidebar with different options. Next, scroll down through the menu until you find Settings and tap on it. You'll see a list of your email accounts linked to the app. Select the email account where you want to enable Conversation View. After entering your account settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Conversation View. This is the feature that groups your emails into threads, making it easier to follow conversations without hunting for every individual message. To turn it on, simply check the box next to Conversation View. Once checked, your emails will automatically be grouped by conversation, showing all replies and related messages together in one place. That's all there is to it. With Conversation View enabled, your inbox will be much easier to navigate, helping you save time and reduce clutter. If you ever want to disable it, just follow the same steps and uncheck the box. Enjoy a cleaner, more organized Gmail experience right from your app.